friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Point. In previous video we have discussed about exercise 5.2 sums of expansion formulae. In this video we have discussed about our remaining sums. If you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe. Now friends, we are see our first sum, that is 101 cube. In this type of sum, split this 101 as 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1 cube. Now it is quite similar to our formula, that is a plus b cube, and we know the formula, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now here our a is 100 and b is 1. Now substitute the value of a and b in the formula. While we substituting the value, a cube is, that is 100 cube plus 3a square, that is 100 square, b, that is 1, plus 3a means our 100, b square means our 1 square, plus b cube, that is our 1 cube. Now 100 cube we know that 1 and 6 zeros, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, plus 3 into 100 square, that is 1 and 4 zeros. Now multiply by 1, plus 3 into 100, that is 300, into 1 square, that is 1, that is 300, plus 1 cube, that is 1. Now multiply this 3 with 1 triple 4 zeros, that is 3 1 2 3 4 zeros, into 1 as it is, plus 300 plus 1, that is 301. While we solving this term, we get the final answer 1030301. Now we see our second sum, that is x plus 1 by x the whole cube. It is similar to our formula. In this term, x is our a and 1 by x is our b. Now first of all write down the formula, a plus b cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now a cube is x cube plus 3a square, that is x square, and b our is x plus 3 into a, that is x, b square is 1 by x square plus b cube, that is 1 by x the whole cube. Now x cube is x cube, 3x square, that is 3x square into 1 by x plus 3x as it is, 1 square is 1 and x square is x square, plus 1 by x cube is 1 by x cube. Now x cube, multiply this one with this term, we get 3x square by x plus 3x by x square plus 1 by x cube. Now here 2x and here 1x. Now 1x is cancelled, here also same. Therefore we get x cube plus 3x plus 3 by x plus 1 by x cube. Now start with our next sum, that is 2m plus 1 by 5 the whole cube. Now friends, we know our a is 2m and b is 1 by 5. It is very easy friends, that is a plus b cube. First of all, we know that we write down our formula, that is a plus b cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Our exercise 5.2 is totally depend upon this formula. So this formula is very important, a plus b cube. Now our a is, we know that our a is 2m and b is 1 by 5. Substitute the value of a and b in the formula, that is 2m cube plus 3a square, that is 2m square, b is 1 by 5 plus 3a, that is 2m, b square is 1 by 5 square plus b cube, that is 1 by 5 cube. Now 2m cube means 2 cube and m cube. 2 cube we know that 8 and m cube is m cube plus 3 as it is, 2m square is 4m square, and 1 by 5 as it is, plus 3 into 2, that is 6m 1 by 5 square is 1 square is 1 and 5 square is 25 plus 1 by 5 cube is 1 by 125. Now friends, 8m cube as it is 4 into 3, that is 12m square by 5 plus 6m into 1 as it is 6m by 25 plus 1 upon 125. This is our final answer.